Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to take a look into SEMrush Backlink Gap tool. Basically what this tool does it helps you to find prospects from URLs. You can enter up to 1 to 5 URLs comparing your domain and it will do untapped backlink opportunities for you to go after and try to get them for you. So that is what this tool does. In order to access this tool, it is very easy. You just need to come into the competitive research under backlink gap. You will see you can add up to your domain and up to 4 different domains here. Here I have added some sample example domains in SEO space and I'm going to click on find prospects. As soon as I do that, I will get these kind of data. It's currently collecting the data. It's showing me that these are the comparison which it's currently doing, and if I open the charts, it will give me a chart overview of what the performance is like for the domains we are seeing. For example, the first one is for authority score, then we have referring domains, and for authority score it will do a comparison on which is having a lot of authority score, which is getting a lot more. For example, SEMrush also started with them, but they are slowly gaining more authority nowadays. So depending on that, we can see referring domain is like amount of referring domain they have for backlink. For example, this uh, search engine journal has taken quite a lot of losing a lot of backlinks to it used to have around 180,000. Now it's having just around 150,000. So you can see there is a huge decline on the backlinks, and also you can see all the different other prospects we have added here. We can also hide these things. We can see a different data set here, but this is the most interesting part. One, we can see the data from one by one. We can either see our own one, or I can go with a different domain depending on my need, and according to that it will say give me the domain. It says there are a total of 220,000 domain because SEMrush is a big network block. So you can see these are good prospects you can try to reach out in your backlink outreach process. So it gives me that domain name with the link to open it with the categories, and also authority score here. Also you can see if I scroll click on that down arrow, it will give me all the other details as well, and how much monthly visits matches total number of analyzed domain that is referring domain is linking to. This particular domain is ranking. I gave 5 examples, right? Out of 5, 4 it is linked on. So it's saying that this have more opportunity to make sure to get a link back to you. So these are the different stuff. You can see how many backlinks it has from a different domain. Only SEMrush is missing out on this. So you can try to reach out and get that thing. You can see the best opportunity, weak opportunity, strong opportunities. For example, clicking on all the things, it will show me a different set of domains that point to your domain only. So it's pointing to my domain, but it's not pointing to others. So those are the strong. Shard is shared among all the domains. Unique is the domain only point to you all. So we have different criteria here to see the thing. Basically you can use this to export the data here, or you can what you can do is after filtering it out, you can select the prospects which is interested to you, and you can select on start outreaching campaign here. What it will do is it will send these prospects to your link building tool, which is under link building. It will send the data back to link building tool. From there you can start outreaching to tools. I will create a separate video to explain that tool in the next videos. Okay, that's all for this particular tool. I will see you in the next